Hello everyone! Welcome back sa Tower PH TV. So medyo kakaiba yung video natin ngayon, although connected pa rin sa cards, but this actually the first time that we got cards from someone who has temporarily quit the hobby. So tawag niya dito is quitting sale. So I believe temporary lang yun kasi move siya into other collections or collections other than NBA trading cards. So guys, yun, kung ano yung mga collections or card collections na pinasa niya sa atin, let's check it out after this intro. Ayun guys, in-unwrap na natin siya offline kasi sobrang protected siya, sobrang balot na balot with lots of bubble wraps. And medyo natagalan tayo pa bago tanggalan. So before that guys, big shoutout pala sa pinakuhanan natin itong quitting sale cards na to, si Boss Glenn from Cartoon Network. So yun, even yung mga card stand niya na Ultra Pro kasama dun sa package. So actually matagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng ganito eh, yung card stand na adjustable. Yan, so pwede mo lang siyang i-set up like that. And actually tatry natin siya mamaya. And yun, we got 3 box. Pag nag-unwrap ka guys ng ng quit sale, para talaga siyang treasure chest, no? So I really have no idea kung ano yung mga nakalagay dito. They have some he included some of these cards. Not sure kung anong characters yun, but let me start with this box muna, itong Chronicle. So yan, ang dami niyang cards dito and we're going to pull them all out. So these are from Hoops. So medyo marami siya, no? Tingin ko hindi na natin iisa-isahin, but check out na lang natin kung alin dito yung mga inserts. So these are base cards. Then we got this from Indiana, Benedict Maturin. This is actually a good card, a good rookie. So set aside si Johnny Davis ng Washington, another insert, and this another insert, Seth Curry, medyo may ano lang sa ilalim. And we got this Jeremy Grant na Teal Explosion. And one of the highest paid in the NBA right now, si Jalen Green with this Steel Explosion na card. Daron Sharp, pure players na Ja Morant. We got arriving now, Shaedon Sharp. Oh, dito pa lang, ang dami na, no? Ang dami ng We got Bogdan Bogdanovic, Utah, and Jaden Ivey. Trae Young, this insert, purple insert, Trae Young, si Bradley Beal. Oh, we have a Sky View na Hoops. Then we got arriving now si Jalen Duren, and we got Anthony Edwards. Siguro ayusin lang natin ng konti yung lighting. So konti pa lang na bubuksan natin guys, pero ang dami na niyang inserts, no? So baka medyo matagal tong video na to. We got another Ja Morant, Kevin Garnett, another Jaden Ivey. So we got this base cards. These are actually rookie cards. So tons of rookie cards. We got Steph Curry base, so Zion Williamson. These are the superstars. Anthony Edwards, another set of rookie cards. Dylan Williams, Trevor Keels, Shaedon Sharp, Max Christie, Patrick Baldwin. Yan. So yun, we got a Paolo Banchero and Isaiah Mobley. So we're just on the half of it, no? And we got Devontae Graham. So these are another set of base cards. So I got this really really cheap. So sobrang mura kong nakuha to. Well, of course siguro dahil matagal ng ka-hobby si Boss Glenn, and luckily sa akin niya unang inoffer to, no. So some of this will go to our Shopee, but a lot of this we will try to be part of our collection. So we got Chronicles here, and yung iba dito I'll be giving away sa mga kids dito sa sa subdivision namin, because they're starting to collect cards. A lot of kids here are into basketball, so nag-start na rin sila mag-collect ng mga NBA cards for inspiration. So another set of base cards from Hoops, and yung last part, we got Aaron Wiggins, Bogdanovic. So these are another set of base cards. Ayan. So getting all of this, no, dito pa lang medyo super okay na, kasi to tell you frankly, yung cost nito ng offer ni Boss Glenn is actually like getting 3 teams pag nag-unbox ka or nag-join ka sa box break ng Hoops. So parang nagkuha lang ako ng 3 teams, but given all of these inserts and the set of rookies plus yung mga freebies niya, ayan, ang dami na. So dito pa lang tingin ko bawing-bawi na tayo. So ayan guys, medyo inayos lang natin. So I was able to set up yung display stand, and tinabay muna natin to give us some space. Tinanggal ko na rin yung tape offline kasi medyo marami siyang dikit. So this one is Card Captor Sakura. It's an anime card, Bandai 1998 from Japan. We got 2 of these. So upon checking, itong mga cards na nandito guys are mostly mga naka security patch, naka sleeves. So mukhang medyo special yung mga cards na to. Let's start with this box. Tabi muna natin tong isa. So we got Patrick Williams, Alperen Sengun. So this is more on the older Chronicles card. We got Scotty Barnes. We got Kevin Durant, Hoops, Jonathan Kuminga. This one is a blue certified of Derrick Rose and another Derrick Rose. So yun, ito medyo okay na okay ito, kasi Derrick Rose medyo malapit na mag-retire. I'm not sure if it will be his last year sa Memphis, but yan, medyo nagtatabi tayo ng mga cards ni Derrick Rose, especially mga inserts and parallels niya. Lagyan natin ang konting lighting. So ayoko lang kasi mag-reflector. So removing this bubble wrap, pumunta tayo ng half. So these are a mix of naka sleeves and non-sleeves. So this rookie card, Malachi Flynn. We got rookie selections ni Zeke Naji. These are the older cards. Jason Tate, Asubuki, IQ5. So we got a Kevin Knox na threads na jersey. And some of the other rookie cards, we got a Luka Doncic, some rookie cards, Precious Achiuwa, this one Shake Milton, we got this Denny Abdia, Onyeka Okongwu, and one of the more popular is si Nico Mannion, the player that we love not to get. So XR, the O. Got some more cards here. Medyo marami pa to. So some of the other base cards, you just run through them. As said nga, no, para siyang treasure chest. Ang dami. So These are the newer hoops card. And we got a green XR ni LeBron James. Then also a Josh Giddey. So, lagyan mo natin sa gitna si LeBron and si Josh Giddey. We got Moses Moody. Wow, an RC card of Aaron Gordon. And we got a slam ni Larry Johnson. And this steel explosion ni Al Horford. So talagang treasure chest to. And I'm just halfway dito sa isang box na to, and we have another box pa waiting. So we got Udoka Suzuki, IQ5, and si Jonas Valanciunas, Bruce Brown, Dylan Brooks, Harrison Barnes, Dennis Schroeder, and Jarrett Culver na may print line lang, purple laser. Medyo wala na tayong space. Then we have Tyrese Maxey, and we got an Austin Reeves, Chris Duarte. So is this a rookie card? Not a rookie card, but we got a Chris Duarte rookie, Ian Johnson, Pokusevski, Ayo Dusonmu. We got Isaac Okoro, Sadiq Bey, Jeremiah Earl, si Joshua Primo, Luka Garza, Evan Mobley. And we got another LeBron James card, Tyrese Haliburton, Bones Highland, and Jackson Hayes. And for the last set of cards, yeah, so we got Darius Garland, Jarrett Culver, Nick Richards, Woodard. We got si Jalen Smith cards, Onyeka Okongwu. We got an XR ni Devin Booker and a Trae Young and a LaMelo Ball score. Hindi nga lang siya yata rookie. And the score, Alperen Sengun. So yan, so that's for the second box. May isang box pa tayo guys na bubuksan. So yun, so sa last box natin, we got, yan o, ganun pa din kadami. And we got si Patrick Williams, Aaron Baines, we got Domantas Sabonis, si Davis Bertans, Brandon Clark, another Domantas, same, AJ Redick, Harrison Barnes, and Jalen Suggs na rookie card. So medyo marami tayong isa-sort out mamaya. Let's remove muna tong ano. So yan, we got a KD, 2 copies, Derrick Rose. So we got Markieff, James Harden. So these are James Harden card. We got Kyrie Irving, lots of James Harden. So Kyrie na complete players. So yun, we got the numbers na Kyrie Irving, Damian Lillard, Kyle Lowry, Ingram, Tyler Hero. So I know one person here or kid here sa place namin na sobrang idol niya si Kyrie. So we got Jaren Jackson Jr. So part of the US team. We got this DJ Augustin, silver. ano. Again, big shoutout kay Boss Glenn Atienza. So si Cameron Johnson, I believe part din ng USA team. DeMar DeRozan, Brook Lopez, DeAndre Ayton, Aaron Gordon, Wiggins. So these are mix na of ano, older cards. So yun, DeMar DeRozan. So guys, medyo ano, first time ko rin kasing nakikita yung mga laman nito, so hindi ko na isa-isahin, pero as I browse through, actually naghahanap din ako ng mga okay na cards. Kira Lewis, said parang treasure chest, and din nga sobrang ang dami na itong cards, and dami na nating nakuha na special cards. Super happy tayo na ano, tayo yung napili ni Boss Glenn na pag-opera nitong ano, mga quitting sale or cards niya. But I believe yan, knowing Boss Glenn, temporary lang yan. So maybe he's into something else. Kasi ang huli naming usapan, I think medyo ano, he's into dun sa mga Korean cards. Sa mga K-pop. Not sure, just joking, pero baka. So yeah, Brandon Ingram. So these are hoops cards, older cards. RJ Barrett, silver ni Jaren Jackson Jr. We got si Goran Dragic, is also playing for, I think, Slovenia. We got brilliance ni Clyde Drexler, Anthony Simmons, and DeAndre Ayton. So as said guys, most of this most likely will be included in our silver and gold packs sa Shopee. So Tower PH Collection Shopee, let's check it out. We got Paul George, Thanasis Antetokounmpo, New York. Maybe he was drafted by New York. Kevin Porter Jr., KPJ is currently in Houston, so ito mga KPJ na. We got Andre Iguodala. Ito medyo lumang card. Henry James actually played for Ginebra and won a championship with Ginebra. So if you're familiar, no, I'm not sure if si Chris King pa lang nasa isip ko, but he actually played for Ginebra. I'm not sure if he won a championship with Ginebra, but this player Henry James, I remember, medyo bata pa ako noon eh. So we got Tyler Hero, Damian Lillard, Karl Malone, and Luke Kennard. So ito na lang ko sa lalagay, medyo puno na. And for the last batch of cards, kasama dito sa ating pick kay Boss Glenn. So we got Paul George, Jonathan Kuminga, another rookie card. So ang dami na nating rookie cards. So bawing-bawi tayo sa rookie cards, and this one is silver pa. We got a Cade Cunningham pa na rookie. Yeah, may ko lang dyan. Got Desmond Bain. Several Desmond Bain rookie cards. We got this game time ni Trae Young, a silver ni Kevin Durant, and we got a Jordan Poole, Tyler Hero, and for the last card, Brandon Ingram na select. So yun, so guys, it will take time before I be able to sort this out. Sobrang dami niya, and yun, ayusin lang natin ng konti. So yun guys, truly a treasure chest, and we were able to get it at a very cheap price. So sa isang box pa lang talagang bawi na, I can see, and tatlong boxes to, or tatlong ganto siya. So I'm really appreciative of Sir Glenn. Big shoutout kay Boss Glenn. So it's a bit sad that you are quitting the hobby, but I am sure temporary lang yan. So pag may mga bagong lumabas, I am sure balik din tayo sa hobby. just like me. So we stopped for a while, then bumalik tayo sa hobby. But kung may mga kaibigan kayo na going for quitting sale and they're going to offer you yung set of cards nila, yan, just take them kasi you'll never know what you're going to get dun sa pool of cards na makukuha nyo, especially kung ganun kamura siya. I was able to get this for the price of parang 2 o 3 team sa isang box break ng Hoops or Chronicle. So ganun siya kamura. And yun, again, big shout out kay Boss Glenn. If you want to see his post or follow yung kanyang FB page na Carton Networks, and I believe meron din siya sa Shopee na Carton Networks. That's Karton tapos Networks. And yun, si Boss Glenn, they are actually from the south, sa Laguna. So our collector friends na from Laguna. So with that, guys, I would like to thank you all sa mga nag-join sa atin. Medyo mahaba to and hindi ko na talaga na isa-isa kung ano yung mga cards. Siguro na browse through natin, but I will try to, siguro sa mga shorts natin mapapakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba-ibang cards. But this would be a very long video kasi kung talagang dadaanan natin isa-isa. But ayun, I really appreciate you guys joining me on this video. Maraming salamat. I hope you enjoyed, and kung nag-enjoy kayo, guys, please do leave a like and share na din sa mga collectors natin. And yun nga, pag may nag-offer sa inyo ng quitting sale na bulk, get nyo na, guys, lalo na kung murang-mura siya and kung kakilala nyo yung tao, kung mapagkakatiwalaan nyo yung tao, just go for it. Ito lang, ang daming hits and ang daming cards. So yun, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, guys, please do subscribe to our channel Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investment. And don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Also, big shout out sa ating mga members na si Hampas Lupang Burgis, si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Tastenship by Tesha, John RT Vlog, si Mommy Mad Selen, and si Mommy Bell Sato. And big shoutout kay Daddy HLJ and sa mga kasama natin dyan sa group chat, sa mga kasama natin YT Friends and YT Family. Yun, so big shoutout sa inyo. Sa mga kaibigan natin na mukbangers, SM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors, especially sa mga nagko-collect ng NBA cards. Yan, big shoutout din sa inyo. And if you are into gaming, guys, please subscribe to our other channel, Tower PH Gaming, where you can experience the excitement. Yun nga lang, medyo lately wala tayong masyadong upload because we're a bit busy sa ating work. Hindi tayo nakakapaglaro. So soon mag-upload din ako ulit ng mga games natin. So pag nagkaroon ng konting time, i-upload natin siya. So yun, guys, maraming salamat po, especially sa mga nag-join sa atin dito sa video until the end. And watch out, maybe some of these guys will be giving away. So kung ma-collector kayo ng cards and favorite players nyo, siguro i-post nyo na rin dito sa comment kung sino mga favorite players nyo, then maybe we can give away some of these cards to our co-collectors, so mga nagko-collect ng NBA trading cards. Watch out for that. So again, maraming salamat po. This is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Again, see you sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos.